Hi there, I'm Patrick, Sarah, and if you remember Jo was in the first video, she's joined us today, and I'm pleased to say we're going to actually use for the first time the volunteer hut, so please come in and see what we're doing. We've actually made our first cup of tea and some cake today. There's a few more things to do. We've still got to get a fridge and just a basic tidy up, but apart from that, we're nearly ready to go. Jo is doing the washing up for a reason. If you'd like to come outside, as you may well know, a few weeks ago you were wondering what the bath was for. We can finally tell you what we're using the bath for. So please come outside. Follow us. Hi Sarah, what is actually, now we've got the bath, what's actually happening?
So, when Jo lets the plug out, the water goes into this bath, and the bath is now filled with limestone clippings, and we've planted some reeds and some irises that will shoot up when they get established. So when we're washing up, we're making sure we're using biodegradable soap or washing up liquid.
Natural.
But what happens with the stones and the plants is that they filter the water.
So it's a filter, basically it's a filter system.
Yeah.
For any dirty water for washing up and things
That's
like that.
That's right, yeah. And then you can see that the water goes down this pipe here. It goes through the 3 sections and then into that pipe. And if we follow the pipe round, it goes under here.
Oh, so it's a fully integrated filter system, really.
Yeah, and we've got another sink here. So that's for washing all the pans and pots from the forest school.
Oh, I see, when they do their activities.
So they can be washed and drained on the the draining board there. And then that water comes out into here.
So it's all fully functional now then?
Yeah, just down there.
As you can see, the water's coming out there as well, so you've got a complete system now.
And we've got 3 sections here, and we have the different sections because we don't want the water to run through too quickly.
Oh, so it's a gentle flow.
Nice and gentle, nice and slow, and then we get better purification. Could you thanks for turning the tap off.
I'll turn the tap off. And
then the water goes here and it joins the other pipe from the sink inside and it goes into the pond. So we can use that grey water that's now been filtered to top up the pond.
Thanks, Sarah. Now, just say one thing. We're just wondering how many people have guessed what the bath was for. Just like to know if anyone would know. Maybe they thought after a hard day's work, because we do work quite hard here, they do work as hard, but we get a nice cup of tea. So they thought maybe we might like a bath afterwards, but that's not true.
No.
There's a good reason for it. So